top 10 summer, top 10 winter. We often hear these lists, but the some perfumes, they don't quite fall into winter and they don't quite fall into summer. And these perfumes, I feel, can be perfect in the transition seasons of autumn and spring. Today I want to look at 5 perfumes which are perfect for the autumn at 5 different price points. Let's take a look. Signature by Arabian Oud. This is the original to Diwan, Sultani, Farid, and all those ones you've heard of. This is the original. And this for me is literally autumn in a bottle. Cashmere and musk at the base with cardamom and nutmeg. This is just autumn in a bottle. Now, it's not beastly in performance, okay? It does last quite long, but it's not very projecting, which means that it easily gets overlooked some of the very bold and powerful perfumes that Arabian Oud have. But this one is absolute money. You've got to check this one out. Signature by Arabian Oud. Bois Imperial. Now, this one you could really wear in any season, I feel. But in my personal opinion, this one shines best in autumn. Something about that crisp woodiness perfectly matches those November nights when the cold first starts kicking in. Black tea, fig and iris. One of the most sumptuous autumnal scents is BDK's Gris Charnel. However, there's one key issue with that perfume, and it's not the perfume, it's the owner of the company. So we don't like to give money to people who support genocide. So you have these 3 alternatives. This one is probably a mix between the original and the X-Rate. This one is the original, and it really emphasizes from Fragrance World the fig. And this one from Khadlaj is beastly, very strong and long lasting. So check one of these out for your preference. Oud Lemon Mint from Mancera. There isn't really any oud in here. There is some lemon and I don't really get any mint, but really what you're getting here is kind of a fresh opening with some citruses. But really this is all about the dry down. You get some sandalwood, there's a woodiness to it, and you have this really nicely balanced almond note, which I just feel is perfect for the autumn. And this is very strong. Oud Save the King by Atkinson's. This is such a beautiful and novel take on oud. And this one is really, it's kind of a classic now at this point. It's been cloned a lot of times in the Middle East. It's got a very nice Western kind of oud. It's a little bit ambery. You've got some violet in there, some iris. It's just such a gorgeous, classy smelling scent. And again, I really feel like this is a perfect evening scent during the autumn.